Welcome to Thrive Talks, where we talk about how to thrive in today's ever-changing world. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to stay relevant in this age of AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live and work, and it's important to stay ahead of the curve. In this video, we'll explore various industries that have been affected by AI and how you can adapt and thrive in your field. We'll also provide practical tips and step-by-step guides on how to stay relevant in this age of AI. Part 1. Industries affected by AI. AI is affecting many industries, from healthcare to retail to finance. Let's take a closer look at some of these industries and how AI is changing the game. 1. Healthcare. The healthcare industry has been greatly impacted by AI in recent years. With the use of AI, healthcare professionals can now analyze patient data at a faster rate and with greater accuracy. This has led to more effective diagnoses, treatments, and disease prevention strategies. One example of how AI is being used in healthcare is through medical imaging. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays or MRIs, to detect abnormalities that may have been missed by human analysis. This has led to earlier detection and treatment of diseases such as cancer. AI is also being used to develop personalized treatment plans for patients. By analyzing large amounts of patient data, AI can identify patterns and make predictions about which treatments are likely to be most effective for specific patients. This leads to better outcomes for patients and more efficient use of healthcare resources. Another area where AI is being used in healthcare is in drug discovery. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can help researchers identify potential drug candidates more quickly and accurately than ever before. This has the potential to greatly accelerate the drug discovery process and lead to new treatments for a wide range of diseases. While AI has the potential to automate some tasks in the healthcare industry, it is not expected to result in significant job losses. Rather, it is expected to augment the work of healthcare professionals and improve patient outcomes. For example, AI can assist in medical diagnosis, analyze medical images, and provide real-time alerts to healthcare professionals for potential health issues. This allows healthcare professionals to focus on more complex tasks and spend more time with patients rather than spending time on routine tasks. AI can also help healthcare organizations manage their resources more efficiently, which can lead to cost savings and better patient care. Overall, AI is seen as a tool to enhance healthcare delivery rather than replace healthcare professionals. The healthcare industry stands to benefit greatly from AI, but it will require healthcare professionals to learn new skills and adapt to new technologies in order to stay relevant and provide the best care possible for their patients. 2. Manufacturing. AI has also had a significant impact on the manufacturing industry. One of the primary areas where AI has been applied in manufacturing is in the use of robotics and automation. With the help of AI, robots can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, including assembly, painting, and quality control. This has led to significant improvements in efficiency and productivity, as well as the ability to manufacture products at a lower cost. However, the increasing use of robotics and automation has also led to concerns about job losses in the manufacturing sector. While it is true that some jobs have been replaced by automation and robotics, there are also new jobs being created as a result of the increased use of AI in manufacturing. For example, there is a growing demand for engineers, technicians, and other skilled professionals who can design, develop, and maintain the robotic systems that are used in manufacturing. In addition, there are also opportunities for workers to develop new skills and transition to new roles within the manufacturing industry. For example, workers who have experience operating machinery can be trained to work with robotic systems and take on roles as technicians or operators. Overall, while AI has had a significant impact on the manufacturing industry, there are still opportunities for workers to stay relevant and thrive in their careers by developing new skills and taking advantage of the new job opportunities created by AI. 3. Finance. The finance industry has also been greatly impacted by AI. With the ability to analyze large amounts of data in real time, AI has been able to provide valuable insights for financial decision-making. Here are some examples of how AI is being used in the finance industry. 1. Fraud detection and prevention. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of transaction data to identify potential fraudulent activity, allowing financial institutions to take action quickly and prevent financial losses. 2. Trading and investments. AI can analyze market data and make predictions about future trends, helping traders and investors make informed decisions about buying and selling stocks, bonds, and other securities. 3. Risk management. AI can be used to identify potential risks in financial transactions and portfolios, helping institutions manage risk and minimize losses. 4. Customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI can handle customer inquiries and support, providing quick and efficient service to customers. 5. Personal finance management. AI-powered financial apps and tools can help individuals manage their finances, track spending, and make informed decisions about investments. However, just like in other industries, AI has also led to some job losses in the finance industry. For example, some routine tasks such as data entry and analysis are now being automated, leading to a reduction in the number of jobs for data entry clerks and financial analysts. On the other hand, AI has also created new job opportunities in the industry, such as AI developers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts. It is important for individuals in the finance industry to stay informed about AI developments and acquire new skills to remain relevant in their field. 4. Retail. AI has significantly affected the retail industry, from supply chain management to customer service. Here are some positive impact of AI in the retail industry. 1. Supply chain management. AI has enabled retailers to optimize their supply chain by using predictive analytics to forecast demand, manage inventory, and reduce waste. By analyzing data from past sales and external factors such as weather, holidays, and events, AI can predict the products that will be in demand and optimize the inventory levels accordingly. 2. Personalization. AI has allowed retailers to personalize the shopping experience for customers. By analyzing customer data such as purchase history, browsing behavior, and demographic information, retailers can provide personalized product recommendations and targeted promotions. 3. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots have become popular in the retail industry for customer service. Chatbots can handle simple customer inquiries and provide personalized recommendations based on customer data. 4. Fraud detection. AI can help retailers detect fraudulent transactions and prevent chargebacks. By analyzing transaction data, AI can identify patterns and anomalies that indicate fraud. 5. Autonomous stores. AI has enabled retailers to create autonomous stores that use cameras, sensors, and computer vision to track inventory, manage stock levels, and provide a seamless shopping experience for customers. However, there are also negative effects of AI to the retail industry, such as 1. Job losses. AI technology has led to the automation of many tasks in the retail industry, resulting in job losses for some employees. For example, self-checkout systems and automated warehouses have reduced the need for checkout operators and warehouse workers. 2. Privacy concerns. Collecting and analyzing customer data can raise privacy concerns. Retailers must ensure that they are transparent with customers about what data is being collected, how it is being used, and that they are adhering to relevant data protection regulations. 3. Reliance on technology. Retailers who rely heavily on AI technology are vulnerable to disruptions in the event of system failures, cyber attacks, or other technological issues. Finally, there is also the risk of bias in AI systems, particularly in areas such as product recommendations or pricing. If these systems are not properly designed and tested, they may inadvertently discriminate against certain groups of customers, leading to further ethical and legal concerns. Despite these potential drawbacks, AI technology has the potential to transform the retail industry, improving efficiency, enhancing the customer experience, and boosting profitability. As AI continues to transform the retail industry, it's essential for individuals to adapt to these changes to stay relevant. One way to do this is by gaining knowledge and skills related to AI and technology. This may include learning about AI-powered customer service and sales tools, data analysis, and digital marketing strategies. Additionally, staying up to date with emerging retail trends and consumer preferences can help individuals make informed decisions and stay competitive in the industry. Finally, fostering creativity and innovation can set individuals apart from their peers and help them identify new opportunities for growth and success in the ever-changing retail landscape. 5. Transportation. The transportation industry is currently being transformed by AI in a number of ways. One of the most notable is the rise of autonomous vehicles, which have the potential to greatly improve safety on the roads and reduce the need for human drivers. AI is also being used to optimize logistics and routing, which can help reduce costs and improve efficiency. In addition, AI-powered predictive maintenance can help identify potential issues before they become major problems, reducing downtime and increasing the lifespan of equipment. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on employment in the transportation industry. As more autonomous vehicles are developed and deployed, the need for human drivers may decline, potentially leading to job losses. There are also concerns about the safety of autonomous vehicles, as they are still in the early stages of development and have been involved in a number of accidents. Additionally, there are ethical considerations around the use of AI in decision-making, particularly in situations where human lives are at stake. Overall, AI is set to have a significant impact on the transportation industry in the coming years, with both advantages and disadvantages. It will be important for industry leaders, policymakers, and stakeholders to work together to ensure that the benefits of AI are maximized while minimizing the potential negative consequences. To stay relevant in the transportation industry, it's important to continuously learn and adapt to new technologies and trends. This may involve developing skills in areas such as data analysis, automation, and artificial intelligence. Additionally, keeping up to date with industry news and networking with professionals can help you stay informed about changes in the industry and new opportunities for growth. Finally, being flexible and willing to adapt to new roles or job responsibilities can also help you remain competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. 6. Creative. The creative industry is also affected by AI. With the advancement of AI, machines can now generate art, music, and even writing that can rival human creativity. For example, AI-powered tools like Adobe Sensei can help artists and designers create better and more sophisticated designs, while music streaming services like Spotify and Pandora use AI algorithms to personalize and curate playlists for their users. However, some experts argue that AI can never truly replace human creativity because it lacks the emotional and social intelligence that humans possess. Instead, AI can be seen as a tool that can enhance human creativity and help artists and designers achieve their vision more efficiently. In terms of job opportunities, the creative industry can also benefit from AI in various ways. For instance, Graphic designers can use AI to automate repetitive tasks like image editing and resizing, which can free up their time to focus on more complex and creative projects. In addition, AI-powered content creation tools can help writers and journalists generate articles and reports faster, leaving them with more time to research and develop original stories. 7. Tech industry. The tech industry has not been immune to the impact of AI. While AI has created new job opportunities in the tech industry, it has also led to the automation of certain tasks, resulting in job losses in some areas. For example, with the increasing use of AI in software development, there is a growing need for software developers with specialized skills in AI and machine learning. However, the same technology that is creating new job opportunities in AI is also leading to automation of some aspects of software development, such as automated code testing and deployment, which can potentially lead to job losses in those areas. Similarly, with the growing use of AI in customer service and support, there has been an increase in the use of chatbots and virtual assistants to handle routine inquiries and support requests. This has led to job losses in traditional customer service roles, such as call center agents. In order to stay relevant in the tech industry, it's important for individuals to continually update their skills and knowledge to keep pace with the latest technological advancements. This could involve taking courses or training programs in AI and machine learning, as well as keeping up to date with the latest developments in software development and other areas of technology. Additionally, individuals may need to be willing to adapt to new roles and job functions as technology continues to evolve and automate certain tasks. Part 2. Step-by-step guide on staying relevant in your field. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to stay relevant in your field in this age of AI. 1. Do your research. Learn about the latest AI technologies and how they are being applied in your industry. 2. Assess your skills. Identify your strengths and weaknesses and determine which skills are most in demand in your industry. 3. Take courses or attend workshops. There are many online courses and workshops available on AI and related topics. Take advantage of these resources to improve your skills and knowledge. 4. Network with other professionals. Join industry associations, attend conferences, and participate in online forums to connect with other professionals in your field. 5. Be adaptable and flexible. Keep an open mind and be willing to learn new skills and take on new roles. 6. Consider freelancing or starting your own business. If you're finding it hard to find a traditional job in your field, consider freelancing or starting your own business. This can give you more control over your career and the types of projects you work on. As we conclude today's video, we hope that you gained valuable insights into how to stay relevant in the age of AI across various industries. It's crucial to adapt and evolve with technology, but it's equally important to understand how it affects our industries and employment opportunities. If you have any comments or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.